Good afternoon, everybody. It's Greg Douglas with Swinomish Casino Lodge coming at you again this week. We're going to change things up a little bit. This week, we're going to show you our new digital signage package throughout the facility. Great package, really helps with your stay.
Hi, everybody. My name's Robert Christensen. I'm part of the marketing department here at Swinomish Casino Lodge. One of the things that I work on here is the digital signage content. As you know, as part of our renovation project, we've added several different cool new digital signage features around the property. And we've designed content for each of those new additions to help you navigate throughout the property more easily, to bring out and highlight some of the features that we have available here at Swinomish Casino Lodge. And overall, it just brings that wow factor when you walk in.
Hi, I'm Jim Cole. I'm the AV IT Department Manager here at Swinomish Casino and Lodge. The old system was all analog, just completely manually driven. The new system is completely digital. We now only have to push a button and we can change what's playing on the floor at a whim. There's just a ton of stuff that we can do with this system that we couldn't do before.
As soon as you walk in near the food court, you'll see signage directing you here to the main floor, highlighting the tribal history that's featured in Carver's Cafe. We have a waterfall feature wall that you'll be able to look at as you walk in. Behind me, you can see the sports bar. We have 75-inch television monitors in the sports bar. Nothing else like that in the area. It's now the place to go here in Skagit County to watch sports and enjoy delicious food. Also, we have the brand new 1x4 featuring the new sports bar and grill logo, as well as some of the exciting sports things coming. As Jim Cole said, we can now change the content on these 1x4 video walls on the fly using our new system. It allows us to bring you promotional content, as well as live television and Keno. And if wanted, we can take over the entire video wall with a single piece of content. It's pretty dang cool. I think my favorite part of the new signage system is the ability that it's going to give us to grow. Because we can change things so easily and so frequently, it's only going to get better and better and better. So please come back and check it all out.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that little special segment on our digital signage. Check back next Wednesday for an update on some of the other pieces of the project that we put together for you.